Hi YouTube, welcome back. Another video. Yes, you're sorting all your fatty. This is 8:01 p.m. I do the relaxation. That's the time that's starting right now. But I'm gonna make the more video. Yeah, right now about 8. I go downstairs. I go downstairs. I grab I get the shoes and a big bottle. And I got it in my can on my Coke. So I got another one and so on. I got downstairs, go back up here, and then a weird accident on the YouTube, and the mole coming up. I'll call them, boys, you see it. Hey. So that's coming up. And also we got a cracker paper here. I know that Bobby made the notifications on like Twitter, the Skype board, the BBCUs. Don't worry, guys. Right, I got a downstairs and I'll see you in a minute. So, this line. I got downstairs with this bag because middle of the night I'm watching the last series with this series in the bottle. I know. I know AEW reaction, guys. No, I just did, so you know this. Right, I got it downstairs. Right guys, I got it. Right guys, I got it downstairs. I'm gonna use a big bottle. Yeah, come on back with me, we got it out too. Coke, and also I got another one. I'm going to show you what I got for my relaxation tonight. I'll see you in a minute. Hi guys, when I go. Hi guys, sorry for that. I go back to the 6 minutes, that's good stuff. Now I go to the toilet, I'm boosted to go. So I take my laptop because I put my laptop on. I'm making the wash and stuff. And now go to the toilet and let's go to review what coming up in this video today. Oh, you stay tuned. First, put my laptop on. I'll put my television on. I was booked at AEW. On IDV. Hold on. Yeah, I was thinking that I booked. Now, now I am on IDV4. Now I booked. Here it is, All Elite Wrestling Dynamite. AEW Dynamite. It's on at 10:55. The finish by 1 o'clock. That is the starting as with Diet Coke. So I booked it. I watched it. So okay. All question of sport. I know the OCS, so this is the new one. Well, I do know, I can't remember. Oh, Petty McGuinness. Yeah, on it. Yeah, it says. Alright, I'll put my laptop on. And second my viewers of the Rugby League for you guys. That's after when I come to the toilet first. Right, here we go. Yeah, we're not talking about this, so don't worry about this. Oh yeah, I thought it was like I do that on an iPlayer. One so. Oh, look. Let me remind you. Sorry guys. I've got to refresh it. So here we go. Now I go to the toilet, now I come back, and now I tell you good the preview what the coming up of my games. I'll see you in a minute. Guys, I'll be back. See? Don't worry, I go to the toilet for. guys, you know, in the middle of the bathroom. No? And that's fine. Right. Let's put a brief review. Let's do it. First, first you see my last video, you see my last video, today video, I am an amateur of the rugby league games because I like to play in it. You know, what do you think of the crap is? It's okay or not, so please do tell me about this. Right, first I'm going to refresh it. Wow, we got a 15 data views, my last video. Thank you. And the highest most is 206 views. 206 views. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I know that you spend the rugby league. Yeah, well. Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube videos. This is a Wednesday today, so what's up guys? How you doing today? Yeah. Do I do the land shirt? Yeah. What's up guys? How you doing today? For more video coming out. You got no subtitles. Mate, you all got some. Hell yeah. Now this video you might have some too. I want today's subtitles today. Yeah, I was in today on the Relaxation is Waterloo Road. Yeah, Serious Fault episode 1. And also I was in got the ITV up. I was in that was like oh yeah, here we are. Right, here we go. It's the Real Housewife of Sasa. Yeah, I love this club now, guys. I really do. So that's how I go to the end of watching it. Is I go to the Waterloo Road as well. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm sponsored by Neighbours. Yes, and then it gets up in my bag later on today. So what I've got today, what I eating, I got sassimas and grapes, followed by chocolate mousse Aerials. I love chocolate mousse. 3 spoons. I need to lie, so I'm gonna go find it. And my next video will come in the tour on my room. I can't do it today, so. Oh yeah, let's do that bit later. Yeah. Okay, I'll have a quick look. Okay. We got sour simmers and grays, followed by chocolate mousse, spoon, followed by popcorn. So, there he is. Followed by Tuesday happen. I'm going to show you doing it. There we go. Oops. Don't actually don't know about that. And the Budweiser shoes. My favourite time of year, I was at AEW. Tire Coke. Yes. No, that's bigger. I really don't know about that one. Right, let's go to the reaction. Well, the coming up today, my video games. We got 18 minutes, that's good, just good enough. Right, we got the games for you guys. We got you know what I told my last video, the Rugby League. St. Helens versus Wigan is coming on. That's the final last one. I know you love Rugby League. And I got the followers. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's coming up. And also we got WWE 2K19. I know we got a request for it. We not do request. So Keen Booker versus Taker or Rusev matchup. You're coming on today, it can be on very soon, a 101. Marvin Danny please, or Ronnie Piper, and we don't know. So you really notice. Oh yeah, and also Persista versus Undertaker versus Persista. Tomorrow block. Can't wait. And this Sunday block, WWE Royal Rumble. Oh, that's going on. That's going on. And the Rugby Sevens 3. No, sorry. Rugby Sevens 4 women's centers, and we talk about the women's, why I love women in rugby. We talk about that when I was doing it on. And also FIFA 22. Yes, Manchester United versus Newcastle. No, hold on. Manchester United versus Newcastle United. Oh, this is a cracker. This is the games. It's coming. Oh yeah, sorry, it's NSN 22. It's coming too. We can't wait for more videos on my games. So I know we're talking around. Don't know if we're doing it. I know one my best friends. Look at this. This is a good game anyway. Yeah, called Criminal. Criminal Break. Criminal Break, and the name is. I stuck this. I call it level. My last level is really stuck. I can't do the Criminal Break game like that. By the way, later. You got a good accent. Good God. Sorry, I'm not best friendly guys. I was Carly. So that's what's going on in the plan today. That's all of the coming up. My gaming videos is tomorrow and this Sunday. And this Sunday I'm not gonna upload it on Monday because Monday I go to group. Yeah. Sucks. That might be some of us. Doors. Alright. What wearing this today too. There we are. So you let you notice that. So yeah, so the gaming is coming very soon, and the gaming, yeah, I can't do it on Sunday. Sunday the Royal Rumble I can't upload it on Monday because I go into the group on Monday. It's looking forward crew by going. Yes, yes. And also you you want to see me in the apocalypse? That's fine. You know what's in the apocalypse? That's fine to me. You want to take the photo of me? I am a YouTuber, so you see me apocalypse? That's fine. If my sister Anna messaged me, he said that don't. I'm not going into your apocalypse because I am a YouTube star. I know I'm doing so. Yeah, my sister Anna, the boss says. If you want to do the apocalypse, you don't want to see me, that's fine. Anna, you want to say no? Say no. That's fine to me. So they'll let you know all of the guys with you and I belong with. So and I can do the music for this. Awesome! Right. Oh, I got my relaxation on. And I've been doing well late. And no AEW reaction. Oh yeah, to the YouTube. We got you can notice we got play you YouTube videos. Quim, Toy Show, Kids Behind the Camera, Land Stewart, yep, and Do Up as well. I want to tell one of the fans of Quim Toy Show because Quim got a problem with the fans coming out. The bloody toys and Quim out in garden. Yeah, one of the fans got a white car, blowing the toys, and Quim. The Quim he got his toys, or 3 toys, or I really don't know. So it's down on Tom's River in New Jersey. Please don't doing that again. Quim not wanted the fans see Quim in his hometown in America, New Jersey, in Tom's River. Please don't. And also we talk about Quim daughter Molly. Yeah, Quim go wild in TikTok. I know the Molly that's his dad is Quim. Quim told Molly to stop doing it, so he's doing it. Molly, it's your dad. He's telling you to do about this. You can't. So I know what Molly on the TikTok on Quim. When he eating, when he farted, or epic. He said, oh brother, do up. See the TikTok. Molly made it his own brother. He blubber Quim, he'd be embarrassed at oh brother, do up. Do up, not do TikTok. Quim on TikTok, he'd been banned because of promo on Mike Goldstein. So don't know why. So you was first on Molly, a Quim daughter. Please do not make the video of your own father like that. And I've appreciated it. You like a TikTok by yourself. That's fine. You're the best of your own father. So you really know that Quim. You watch this video. I totally agree with you, buddy. I totally agree with you. So I want to go now. I do my relaxation. Watch the Waterloo Road and the real asphalt of Sasha and Neighbours. So I want to go now, guys. You like it? Give me the likes, share, favourite. And also, oh yeah, I want to you subscribers by the way, guys. Please. Oh, we got 8 subscribers. Yeah, we got 8 subscribers. my own mate of mine, I got a phone call to my mate, got a new number on my phone. His name called Alex Moores. He's top guy, and I know him about a long time ago into the pub group. No, I like to go. Yeah, well, I see him. So you really notice that. Thank you to boy Alex Moores, the 8 subscribers. You want the new subscribers? Please do. I wanted some. I want to play users. I want to play users. I want to play you subscribers to you. And also, you like to see the Father Christmas, Santa Claus, the sleigh, my own suite on the next tour of Father Christmas. I can't do it. I do the reactor because of copyright. Because you got murder stick on his leg. So I'm making a video on my Christmas stocking, and that's a good idea. What a present I got. So please do tap the bound. Yeah, please tap the. Yeah, please tap the bound. Yeah, please tap the bound of the. Yeah, please tap the bound icon. You miss your upload your video coming out, and also gaming videos, talking videos, and reaction on the YouTube videos and so on. So I'm sick and tired of last Tuesday say to grandma get a new car. It's Lamborghini. I knew all bloody Lance. That's it. I know you got a new car. Lamborghini. That's your dream car ever. I want you to get a Lamborghini Venator. I want it, mate. Please tap the button. Please tap the button. Yeah, please tap the button. Yeah, please tap the button and the notification still on. You not got us. You know. You not got it still on. You're not still on, the notification still on. You not know. You not see my video the play coming out. Please do not. Please tap the button. And then another bite of my new video coming out and see my gaming as well. I got a fake videos channel called Odd Dogs channel. AOTDOCH. Odd Dogs. My fake channel. So you really know how. Please tap the bell and please tap a bell and notification still on. So if you notify me, I want to use subscribers. I'll see you very soon. Please tap the bell and notifications still on. I'll see you in my next video. You're not down with that? We got 3 words for you. Eat it, yeah! And peace.